everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you some brushes that will help with your cleaning. This kit is a drill brush kit that has 4 brushes. It is designated for an electric drill. You can find it on Amazon or different sites. It's not hard to find. They sell a bunch of different drill brushes. It's not expensive, it's a great investment in your cleaning kit. The 4 brushes are a 2-inch flat brush, a 4-inch flat brush, a conical brush and a soft brush. This is a powerful and efficient brush set. You can use any drill you have. I have this cheap cordless drill. I will show you a few areas where you can use these brushes. First one, floor mats. I rinse thoroughly the floor mats. I put some carpet cleaner. Then I put the brush to work. In just a few seconds, I have a clean floor mat. If your carpet floor mats are too dirty, first you have to vacuum them in order to remove any loose dirt and debris. Rinse thoroughly and use a floor squeegee to remove all the water. These brushes make your cleaning ability so much more effective and fast. The drill brush is a solution to replace the manual labor that you use when you clean. You can use these brushes on tiles, wheels, grout, brick, carpet, bathtub, grills, floors, garage door, gutters, upholstery, hot tubs, shower, floor mats, pool lining, bathroom, plastic, car upholstery, weather mat, and much more. Another area, weather mats. I rinse, put some dish soap, then brush. The brush is getting in all those cracks and crevices. One of the most important things is that it gets in all of those grooves that weather mats have that are really hard to clean. And it takes just a few seconds to clean them well. Work smarter, not harder. These brushes are great for all kinds of jobs in the house, outdoors, and even your car. Another area, door mats. I rinse, put some carpet cleaner and brush. These brushes will save us time and energy. You can use them even to pull up the pet hair from the carpet or floor mat by using them dry. It's an excellent product to have. Drill brushes are not something you go through super quickly, so they will last you forever or at least a very long time. Rinse very well and remove all that extra water with a squeegee. This brush set is multifunctional, so great to attach to your drill and powerfully scrub your vehicle or surfaces in your home. Another area, carpet. Use some carpet cleaner and brush. It removes stains and odors. This set means you have the right tool for the job and cleaning becomes less of a chore. Plus, it's multi-purpose, so it can be used for lots of different cleaning tasks. Another area, outdoor sink. I use this Ace bathroom foam cleaner. Scratch-free cleaning and it cleans faster. Another area, the bathtub. I use the same Ace bathroom foam cleaner. These brushes will powerfully scrub away excess dirt, dust and grime with medium stiffness nylon bristles that will not scratch the surfaces. They will save you time and effort. These brush heads have a multitude of uses to meet all of your needs quickly and easily. Another area, exterior granite. I gave my cats some fish in a bowl, but they always make a mess, so now I have to clean it. I rinse, spray some degreaser and dish soap, then put the brush to work. This cleaning brush kit is multi-purpose for you to tackle loads of cleaning jobs. The brushes are in different sizes. No more scrubbing. These powerful cleaning brushes are quick to change and makes it easy to clean hard to reach places. Super quick, super clean. It saves you time and energy. Very satisfying. These brushes are amazing for spot cleaning, heavy-duty scrubbing, nasty stains, odors, mild and mildew, grease, dirt, you name it. Now my granite is sparkling clean. I will definitely use these drill brushes around my house because I find them very useful and easy to use. I really believe this kit is a cleaning help and it was fun to use it. I'm sure it will help me in future projects. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and see you next time. Bye!